I don't want no one else. It's our story to tell.
So yan guys, ngayon magluluto tayo ngayon ng masarap na
Now that I've found you, I don't have to pretend.
So yan guys, kumukulo na. So lalagyan natin yung ating
So guys, so ayan diba?
Lagyan natin ng gulay. Lagyan mo na ng ano to,